Let me reintroduce you to the polystyrene pack. Cheap, effective, and used to pack lunches around the world every day. Yet, it has one glaring defect. It is non-biodegradable. Polystyrene waste has become a widespread and major pollutant in our oceans and coastal regions. It floats on water indefinitely and is toxic to marine life and birds. So how do we replace this dangerously common packing material? To find a safe alternative, we visit a Malaysian Bionexus status company called Return to Green. Here, the company produces biodegradable food packaging products and containers from organic material and agricultural wastes. The production of this unique material begins with the papaya. The company's R&D unit has developed a process in which the enzymes from papaya sap are used as the base material for production. The extracted sap go through a purification process in order to isolate the enzymes. Then, the enzymes are sent to a bioreactor and left for 72 hours. This process will culture and multiply the microbes that enhance the enzymes. The other aspect of production is the design of the containers. Products are designed according to specific technical dimensions, with care for the aesthetics. Back in the production area, the enzymes are mixed with the raw materials in large pulper mixers. The raw materials include agricultural waste, like sugarcane husks, corn husks, rice husks, and coconut fibers, along with some recycled, biodegradable material. These raw materials are wholly organic and safe for our use. The recycling of previously manufactured products ensures the reduction of waste. The mixture is automatically pumped to storage tanks through a series of pipes. These storage tanks then pump the mixture into supply tanks that are linked to the pulp processing machines. Once the solution is pumped into the pulp machine, the molding process begins. The solution is poured over the molds that have been specifically designed according to specifications. The forming of the products takes approximately 3 minutes, as the solution is heated and dried over the molds. Once the products are ready, they are checked manually for quality and then segregated for packing. The packing containers are now ready for delivery to clients. The final products are completely biodegradable and safe. This eco-friendly material is another example of human ingenuity, technology, and nature joining forces to create a safer, brighter future. This is biotechnology, building the future today.